In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the design of a Wix site menu and drop-down menu. Whether you're looking to customize the appearance to better fit your brand or streamline the navigation for your visitors, updating your menu design is a simple way to enhance the overall look and feel of your website. First, you'll want to log into your Wix account and open the website editor. With that done, look towards the left side of your screen where you'll find the Add button. It looks like a small plus sign. This is your gateway to adding and customizing various elements on your site, including images, text, and menus. Now, once you click on the Add button, a list of options will appear. We're focusing on the option labeled Menu and Anchors. This section contains different types of menu layouts you can add to your site. The two main ones you'll want to consider are the Hamburger menu, aptly named for its three-line icon, and the drop-down menu, which is incredibly useful for organizing pages under main categories. Select the menu type you'd like to add to your site. You can simply drag and drop the option onto your web page. Place it in an area where it's easily accessible for your visitors. Common locations include the top navigation bar or a side panel, if you prefer a more modern, minimalistic design. Now that you've placed your new menu on your site, it's time to customize it to your liking. Click on the menu on your web page, and you'll notice an Edit menu option appearing. Click on that, and this is where the magic happens. You'll see multiple options to enhance your menu's design. Take your time to explore these design settings. You can resize the menu by clicking and dragging on the edges, which helps you adjust it to fit perfectly in your chosen spot. You'll also find options to change fonts, colors, and spacing of your menu items. Personalize these elements to match your brand's color palette and typography style. Additionally, there's the option to modify the design of the drop-down menu itself. This ensures visibility and easy navigation for your visitors when they hover over or click on specific menu items. You can usually do this in a section labeled Design, where you can play with the spacing, background color, and even incorporate some animations to add a dynamic feel to your website. Remember, a well-designed menu not only improves the user's experience on your site, but also ensures that visitors can find what they're looking for quickly and efficiently. Once you're happy with your edits, take a moment to preview your site to ensure everything looks great and functions smoothly. With your updated menu design, you're all set to offer a more visually appealing and user-friendly experience to everyone visiting your site. That's it for today's tutorial on Wix menu customization. Thanks for watching, and feel free to explore other design elements to further enhance your site.